To log into the application, enter the username and password supplied by Sparkstone support. Then click the Login button. This will take you to the main application dashboard. To start a search for customer information, first click the search field at the top of the dashboard. This can be first name, last name, email address or postcode. To start the search, click on the search icon in the top right of the screen. This will take you to the search results list for all customers that fit the search criteria. In this example, we would like to see the details for Emmy Hennings. So, to see the full customer profile, click anywhere on the search result line. You will now see the customer profile page. From here, you can administer and edit many pieces of customer information, such as quickly correcting an email address, which you can see immediately updates the online Sparkstone database. Click the Address tab to also make edits to the default address. Again, all changes are immediately updated within the online database. If a customer has directly requested that their communication preferences be changed, simply click on the Consent Settings tab in the customer profile. Here, you can toggle the opt-in state of any Sparkstone communication consent, as well as custom consent types. There are 3 default communication consents: email, phone, and direct mail. To toggle the state of any of these consent opt-ins, click the Grant Revoke button to the right of the required consent type. This will be immediately recorded in the online database. To enter the reports for a selected customer, click the Reports button located at the leftmost area of the main profile page. You will now see the Reports hub for the selected customer. The available reports are listed to the left of the screen. To view a right to access report, simply click on the link. This report allows you to supply your customer with all the information held relating to them in the Sparkstone database, such as default address, date of birth, or even current balance. Additionally, you'll find a log of any changes to communication preferences and custom lists such as wish lists. This report can be printed directly to Microsoft PDF or to a paper printer in your office. To return to the customer profile, click on the breadcrumb link in the top left corner of the screen. One of the requirements of GDPR is to perform upon request the deletion of any personal data for a specified customer. In this example, we will start the deletion process for a customer. As before, we shall search for the customer by name and click through to the customer profile page. This time, we are only interested in the Request Erasure button located next to the Reports button. To start the countdown to erasure of the customer data, simply click this button. You will note that this request can be revoked at any point up to the final erasure just by clicking the Revoke Erasure button. You will now be able to view this action in a list of scheduled erasures on the homepage dashboard. Here you can check the state of all data erasure requests. As you can see, the most recent data erasure request has failed, and the countdown clock to the data erasure will not start until the customer has cleared their balance. The Company Settings admin screen is accessible via the cog icon in the top right corner. From this administration screen, you can adjust the delete throttle expiry threshold, and data request threshold. The delete throttle defines the maximum number of deletions per day. This is in place as a safeguard from accidental mass data erasure. The default is a maximum of 100 deletions per day, but this can be adjusted to a level that you are comfortable with. Expiry threshold defines the period of customer inactivity before the customer data is automatically scheduled for erasure. Again, set this to a level you are comfortable with and suits your business model. The data request threshold defines how many days must pass between the initial erasure request and the permanent erasure of customer data. This safeguard is designed to allow a grace period for the revoking of an erasure request, such as a customer changing their mind. Thanks for watching.